I'm here today with Cardiff Ramblers, taking a nice family walk around Amelia Trust Farm in the Vale of Glamorgan.
This is Polo. Polo's going to join us on part of your walk today because he likes leading people on walks. And you may get a chance to lead him with the other rope at times if we take it in turns. Say hello to him. He's very friendly.
Does he take hold?
Yeah, let's go and see the tadpoles.
It's a natural pond. All we did was to dig out an enormous hole, and there's a spring, and it was filled naturally. Now it became a bit sort of polluted at one stage, and so they actually emptied the whole thing and refilled it. We've got ducks nesting on the island. But we have an assortment. You get water boatmen, whirligig beetles, damselflies, dragonflies, tadpoles in all sorts of stages, caddisfly larvae, well there's dozens of things, water leeches, and we do pond digging here. As you can see, there's half a net that's been accidentally left by somebody. But it's a beautiful pond and it's looking really super today with the pink water lilies.
Ti di mwynhau cerdded heddiw?
Yeah.
Da ni wedi bod yma heddiw efo, wel, tua 10 o blant, a ni wedi kind of cerdded o gwmpas y llwybrau cefn trwy'r goedwig fyna, a da ni wedi cael amser hyfryd yna, wel, mae lot o bethau i weld. Mae'r plant wrth i boddau yn dod mas o'r ddinas yna, yn cerdded o gwmpas, a nawr maen nhw wedi mynd lan i chwarae ar y swings a cael picnic bach.
How do you feel after going on one of these walks? Does it challenge you? And
Well, yes, I mean this is just lovely, isn't it? Because the pace is so lovely, it's delightful. It's nice walking with families as well, I think, and seeing other people have fun. But I mean, if you really go for it on one of the Ramblers walks, you really feel that you've achieved something at the end of it. For example, going up Pen y Fan, well, you know, it's quite. I thought it was an achievement, and we had fun as well. And as I say, the only problem was that the clouds came down, so you have to be ready with extra woolies and things to put on, and anoraks in case it rains. If you're going to well, it is a mountain, so. But it was a real sense, gosh, I've done it now. I've been meaning to do that walk for years, and it was an opportunity, having joined Ramblers, to actually go with them on that.
Well, exercise is a marvellous thing, especially for the kids as well. Gets them out of the house.
Fresh air.
Beautiful scenery all around us.
Wonderful scenery.
Mae'n bwysig i gadw yn heini a i'r plant gadw yn heini. So mae'n neis dod mas ar bore dydd Sul mor braf i weld yr haul a beth arall. Y tir sy'n edrych mor brydferth a y gwaith maen nhw'n neud yn yr Amelia Farm. Mae'n bwysig hefyd.
We do occasionally have a pub stop,
We occasionally have cafe stops. We occasionally have anything that's nice stops.
So walking's for everyone then?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it is. You just go at your own pace. I'm very slow, as everybody knows. But I'm in the front today, so.
And it's great to see the children out walking as well, isn't it?
I think that's lovely, yes.